This might be one of the most creative ways to get a shooter open that I've ever seen. And I'm not even sure if there's a specific name for it because I've only seen the Warriors run this besides for Wofford. So here's what happens. They set up for a wide pin down and everything looks like number 10 is just going to come off of this stagger screen. But then these two are going to come together and spin around in a circle, and number 3 is going to be the guy coming off of the pin down. And look at how wide open that action gets the best shooter on the floor. This is unbelievable. And it's not the only time that they ran this play during the year, so it must be a call for them. They're going to run this exact same setup where they're going to come down, number 33 pops off, and watch how they spin around in a circle. It confuses the defense and it gets their shooter a wide open look. And like I said earlier, I've seen the Warriors run this with Steph Curry and Jordan Poole, but this is the only time I've ever seen a college team run this. So let me know in the comments if you've ever seen somebody run this action and if there's a specific name for it.